This is a Dolphin S50 pool vacuum. It's an automatic pool vacuum that you just plug into the wall. It doesn't go into your filtration system. You just plug it into the wall and it sucks the debris off the bottom of your pool into a basket that's on the inside. I have been using this Dolphin S50 for 6 seasons. After I first got it, that first season, I stopped using my manual pool vacuum on a stick. I stopped doing that altogether and I just let my man here take care of it. This thing is awesome. It takes care of all the debris in the bottom of the pool. I never have to worry about anything. I just throw it in there for an hour, 2 hours. It's usually done in about an hour. Throw it in there for an hour and it sucks up all the stuff off the bottom. It's super easy to empty. You just empty the basket and then kind of hose it out. I have never had to replace any parts on this thing. I've had it for 6 years and it works flawlessly. This is fantastic and I would recommend it to everybody. At my apartments, I have a larger version of this that's a Dolphin 70 maybe, I don't know, it's the next size up. And it uses cartridges in it that are more difficult to empty. The S50 works better when it has just the single basket. You can just dump it out. You don't have to take the cartridge thing apart to empty it. And that is like a huge bonus to me, like not having to deal with taking the cartridge apart and hosing them out and putting them back together and putting them back in there. This one is so much easier to empty. I think some of the big Dolphins have the single basket like that too, but really my pool is about a 30,000 gallon or 37,000 gallon or something like that. And the small S50 takes care of it just fine. In an hour, it's clean. It's wonderful. So I'm gonna throw this in the pool and you can see how well it cleans. I've been out of town for a week, so I've got some dirt built up in the pool here. You can see it in the crack, like the edge down there, and then there's quite a bit down there in the bottom. Quite a bit of dirt down there, so I'm gonna run the cleaning robot and see if we can get all that picked up in just one shot. We'll see what it looks like. The Dolphin pool vacuums are a lot easier to use than a Polaris system. You don't need a separate pump or anything. You just plug in the control box into a normal 110 outlet, and then you drop the vacuum into the pool. You let that sink down to the bottom, and then you turn on your control box by pushing the button, and that's it. Give him an hour and he'll take care of it. I've let my little buddy run for an hour or so, and it looks like he has cleaned up most everything. There's a little bit in the corner and a little bit in that corner, but he got all that's in the edges, and there was a bunch down here on the bottom, and he got all of that too. Like I said, I really like the style that just has the one basket. So you pull the basket out. This is all the nastiness that he vacuumed up in there just now. So shake the basket out, and then I always hose it out because it gets all the stuff off the inside. If you don't hose out the basket, then all the debris can get dried in there and it's harder to get it out later. So I recommend rinsing it out every time. And then, let's close it up, go ahead and unplug it, and he's ready to go for next time. I love my Dolphin S50. Again, I will link the E10 down below. You can get this on Amazon. They are fantastic. I've used this one for 6 years. If it broke today, I'd buy a new one tomorrow. They're awesome. Thanks for watching Roscoe Reviews, and we'll see you back next time.